Today is the autumn equinox, and baby, I am a full girl. This is my time. Autumn equinox occurs when the sun sits directly on the equator, causing us to have equal day and equal nights. The beautiful thing about this energy is that it really calls us to tap into balance and harmony. And there is a lot happening in the planetary alignment that complements that autumn equinox energy. For example, our sun is moving into Libra. Libra is a cardinal air sign ruled by Venus, which is our planet of love, relationships, beauty, values, and abundance. The beautiful thing about that Libra energy is it calls us to tap into balance and harmony. Libra is often represented by the balancing scales, and the sun is our connection between our highest divine self, also known as our Ori, and the highest divine source. When we're talking about the sun moving into Libra, we will notice that we feel naturally in tune with nature. We feel naturally in tune with ourselves, our highest divine self. You may notice that your intuition is heightened. You may notice that you are having more clear dreams, dreams that are kind of guiding you and telling you what to pay attention to, what to be aware of, and what your next step should be. Also, you may notice that you just feel an increased awareness of your holistic self. You feel the desire to really tap into your holistic wellness practices. Now, this energy is complemented by the moon, our new moon also having moved into Libra. Now, keep in mind, our moon, especially the new moon, is deeply connected to transition and change. It's connected to that Oya energy. The beautiful thing about the new moon, which offers us the opportunity to set intentions and manifest, being in Libra, is that we have the opportunity to manifest balance and harmony. And to manifest this balance and harmony, I want us to tap into that Mars, planet of action energy in Libra. Mars calls us to take action and really practice the things that bring us balance and harmony, that really help us be in tune with the infinite all. So this is the time that you really want to practice some sunbathing. You want to practice some nature walking, some meditating outside, and really practice paying attention and being aware of all of the energy around you. What is the energy within the trees, within the water, within the animals, within the butterfly that flies past you? Really try to tap in and connect with the energy of the infinite all and the energy that is within you. We also have Mercury, our planet of communication, agreements, personal technology, and transportation, in Libra as well. This is a good time to really tap into having beautiful conversations with friends, family, and loved ones about balance and harmony. What restorative conversations can you have to bring some healing and some justice to certain relationships? What can you do to elevate the balance and harmony in your love life? Don't forget that Libra is ruled by Venus, our planet of love, relationships, beauty, sensuality, pleasure, all of that. What conversations can you have with your partner to enhance the pleasure in your life, to bring more balance and harmony to the intimacy in your life? This is a good time to have those deep conversations, and don't be afraid of any negative responses you may get, because this energy is actually very complimentary. This is also a really good time to be in full gratitude, because autumn equinox really welcomes us into harvest season. Now, harvest season really becomes official during the first full moon after autumn equinox, but the equinox is the signal to the universe that it is time for us to embrace the infinite flow of abundance. And abundance can show up in many forms. During harvest season, we are reaping what we have sown. So if you have sown love energy will flow unto you abundantly in many different ways. It may also look like receiving financial abundance. It may also look like receiving an abundance of opportunities. What you have sown, you shall reap abundantly. Be in full gratitude for it. Be aware enough to recognize the infinite abundance when it flows unto you. You are worthy. Act like it. And of course, we have to acknowledge that during the autumn season, this is the time to release anything that is blocking you from being in full harmony with the infinite all. This is the time to release anything that is stopping you from really aligning with the energy of balance. You have to make sure that your cup is full, and the universe, everything around you, will benefit from your overflow. Fill your cup. Do not allow yourself to be drained. Tap into your worthiness. Be in full gratitude for your infinite abundance and know that you are worthy of pleasure, of passion, of abundance, of success, of great opportunity. All of that is your birthright. Joy is your birthright. Happy autumn equinox. Enjoy your harvest season and may you abundantly reap all that you have sown with wellness. Much peace.